Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Ford introduces a cool wrap. If you're looking to set your new Mustang apart or just add protection, well, Ford now has you covered. You can now order a clear matte film for all new Mustang coupes, but the convertibles will have to wait until the fall. This clear matte film creates a satin-like finish and will cost an additional $5,995, but includes a warranty that goes along with the 3-year, 36,000-mile warranty as standard. This is a PPG produced film, and according to Ford, has been designed and engineered to be unaffected by everything from road salt to bird droppings to that nasty asphalt residue. It is also resistant to strong chemicals used during hand washing and or your local touchless car wash establishment. For those looking to add this to the convertible version, you will have to wait until fall. Also, this film will not be available on the new GT California Special Appearance Package or any optional graphics package. This will be available on the Dark Horse trim, but yet you'll have to go without the cool accent stripe on the hood or any painted racing stripe package. Overall, I think this is a really cool idea from Ford. Paint protection from the factory for minor rock chips and bird droppings to minor scrapes that should protect the paint. For now, Ford hasn't said whether this will need to be removed after the 3 years or any specific time frame, or whether the paint protection will actually be available on other models in its lineup other than the Mustang. Let's hope that the Mustang is just the first and that this will stretch on to other models within Ford's lineup. If you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and leave me a comment of what you think of this enormously cool wrap from Ford. As always, thanks for watching, and I will talk to you next time.